Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to load operating system in a pen drive or USB drive. So friends, at first you have to open any browser. In the browser you have to search Rufus. There are many applications softwares you can use. I am using here Rufus just because of easy use. Now you have to download the Rufus software and you have to install in your computer. There are many versions available. You have to download the latest version. Now type the file name and click save button. Once the file is downloaded, open this program. Now click install anyway. In the device option, as you see, it is blank. Once you insert the pen drive or USB drive, it will detect automatically. And after that you have to click on select button to select the OS file. Remember, the file must be in ISO format. And now you have to change the volume level, that is the volume name, and then you have to click on start button. Now click OK. Again click OK. Warning message appears. All data on this device will be destroyed. To continue with the operation, click OK. Now you have to wait till the status is completed. Once you will get the status ready, you will able to use the pen drive or USB drive as a bootable device. It will take almost 5 to 10 minutes to complete the operation.